Hello dear friends. This is the InStyle Knitting Studio. Today, we will learn how to knit a half double crochet, or what is also called a slip stitch. For the sample, I knitted a chain of air stitches and also a row of single crochets. We have already learned to knit all of this. I will leave links below the video. To transition to the next row, we will make one air stitch for lifting. We will turn the work. Now, let's see how we will knit slip stitches. We insert the hook into the stitch of the previous row. We grab the working yarn with our index finger and pull it through. Pull it immediately through the stitch of the previous row and the stitch on the hook, just like that. We have one stitch formed on the hook. Again, we insert the hook into the next stitch of the previous row. We grab the working yarn and pull it through both stitches at once. Again, we insert the hook into the stitch of the previous row. Grab the working yarn, we pull it through this stitch of the previous row, and also pull it through the stitch on the hook, all in one go. Just like this, these are the lowest of the stitches. Such stitches are usually not used for knitting, but are used for edging at the end of the work. That is when knitting in the round, to connect the rows. Therefore, these stitches are called slip stitches. This is what slip stitches look like. They are very low and resemble a braid. I think everything was simple here. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments, subscribe, like, and we will meet in the next lessons. Bye bye.